that. Believe it or not, there's some tools today which they provide you real-time simulation tools. What do you mean real-time? Well, once upon a time, we had 4 viewing modes in a CAD system. Hidden lines removed, shaded with edges. Now we have one more, simulation results. Because the simulation is fast, you can see the results in real time. It takes more to regenerate the CAD geometry than solve it. I'm not kidding. Whoever doesn't believe me, I'll show you. So in real time, you can change, let's say, the size of the unit cell and find a new temperature. Change the diameter of the unit cell and find the temperature. Super exciting stuff. It's really spell checker or Grammarly for design. You do it real time. It's like you have over your head somebody with a, let's make it foam hammer. Every time you make a mistake, bing, oh, you exceed the yield. All right, let's make it back to that, or don't add that hole, and etc. And say, yeah, the structural thermal are easy. I know, I believe you. Also, you can do real-time CFD. How? Well, automatically computes the fluid domain, and it does it. What is the secret? There are 2 secrets. Don't tell anybody, okay? One uses the GPUs, and the other doesn't use finite elements, it uses voxel-based. And because most of these geometries are voxel-based and implicit, the transfer is very fast. So you can find the velocity distribution and the pressure distribution, and you can cut it in various planes, and you can see this is real-time stuff.